Okay, we are going to import this 3D model drawn in AutoCAD into SolidWorks. So you can do by dragging this far and drop it onto SolidWorks. So this is a dialog box that previously we create a SolidWorks drawing. Now we are going to import to a new part as a 3D curve or model. So only one step only, finish. So now we have this model. So we can do some editing. Okay, let me change into MMGS first. So if you go to evaluate tab, you can measure. You can see that the diameter is 38.1. So if I click the other circle, it's telling me the distance 140.38 mm. Okay, escape. So we can measure the model. Okay, now we are going to do some editing. Okay, let's say we do some fillet. Okay, make it 6 mm. Okay, let's fillet here. Okay, I select the face and okay. So you have the 6 mm fillet. So the purpose of importing, because you don't need to redraw this model and you want to add extra feature using SolidWorks. Okay, let's make a sketch on this page here. Sketch. Okay, let me draw a circle. Okay, make dimension. Okay, make this one 50. Okay. Okay, go to add relation. This one, this point and this point, make it horizontal. And repeat again. Add relation. Okay. I select this. Control, select this circle. Okay, now we draw a circle there. Okay, let's draw a center line. Okay, make it horizontal. So it's under define. You want to fully define, you can right click and you say fully define sketch, and you can calculate. So another dimension added, fully defined. Okay, you can, once you want to change it, you just change the dimension, set to 100. So it's still fully defined. So we go picture, extrude boss base, 30. Okay, now if you want, I want to mirror this fork over. So I go to the mirror command, select this face, feature, we use body to mirror this the body, and we say okay. So now we can do some editing, making use of AutoCAD model. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.